Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Hello friends, today we're going to be doing this cute rainbow unicorn, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing is this nice U shape, and this is going to be the shape that we make for the head of our unicorn. Alright, now we're going to do a nice leaf shape at the very top of that line, just like this, for his ear, and then we're going to go over and we're going to start the hair. So we're going to curve it down, and then we're going to curve up, and then bring it around and take it to the point, just like this. So it's like the bangs. Now we're going to do another little curved line here, but I'm not going to do the same thing I did before. I'm going to go to the top, and instead I'm going to do my unicorn horn. So I'm going to do a triangle at the top, but when I make the second line for the triangle, I'm going to bring it down and scoop it around like an ice cream cone that's upside down. Now that I have my horn in place, I can start at that point and bring it around and make sure it goes around my horn, just like this. And then I'm going to bring it down and curve it, and then I'm going to just curve it in. And there are my unicorn's bangs. And so with those done, now I can do my other ear, which is just a leaf shape. And now I do a little leaf shape on the inside, and I go to my other ear and I do the same thing, just like this. And there is the unicorn's hair and ears and horn. So now I'm going to finish doing my unicorn's hair. So I'm going to start just at the right under the ear, and I'm going to curve in and then back out and give it a little swirl, like it's got a little curl. And then just bring it from the point and around, just like this. And then I'm going to do a nice little curvy line right underneath, just like this. I'm going to curve it, and then I'm going to curve in, and that's the other curl. Now I'm going to go to the other side of the head, and I'm just going to put two little curved lines over here that are going to kind of go off of each other, just like this, and that's the other side of the mane. Now I'm going to do two lines that are coming down right from underneath the head, and that's my body. And I'm going to do two ovals at the very end of each of those lines. So I'm going to go one line, do one oval, other line, other oval. And those are my back feet. Now that I have the body of my unicorn, I can do the tail now. So just like I did with the hair, I'm going to do a nice little curved line, and then I'm going to take it from the point and bring it around, and it's going to end about halfway into that hoof there. And then I'm just going to put a couple lines so that later on when I color, I can do different colors in the tails. But if you want to keep it just one solid color, you don't have to do these little lines inside of the tail. So I'm going to do a short little line right off about a third of the way up from that oval on the back leg there. And then I'm going to do a slanted line, and it's going to go a little bit past that straight line that I did. Then I'm going to curve it, and then I'm going to do another diagonal line, and this is the front leg. Then I'm going to do a curved line off of the very end there, diagonal line, and then I'm going to do a curved line right at the bottom there, and that shows where the hoof is. And then I'm going to do a straight line to do the other side of the body, and there is my unicorn's body. So now I'm going to go back up to the horn. I'm going to put in my diagonal lines that make the horn look nice and swirly. And now I'm going to do my unicorn's eyes. And my unicorn is actually going to be winking, so I only have one open eye. So I do a nice big oval. And if you have a specific way you like to do eyes, feel free to do whatever eye you want, but this is just how I do my unicorn eye. And then I do a half circle at the top, and it's going to be a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to do a tiny half circle at the bottom, and then I'm just going to fill the rest of it in with black. And like I said, if there's a specific eye that you like to do, feel free to put in whatever eye you want, especially if you're going for a little bit more menacing unicorn and not so much of a cute unicorn. You can do a completely different eye. And I'm actually going to put a couple little eyelashes on my eye too, so I'm just do 3 little curves here. And again, you don't have to put eyelashes on yours, so this is just how I wanted to do mine. And now I'm going to do a winking eye, so I'm just going to do a curved line, and because I have eyelashes on my one eye, I'm going to add some eyelashes on this eye, even though it's closed. And then I'm going to do 2 curved lines to show where the snout is coming out. And now, before I put in the mouth, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to color my entire unicorn the way that I want. I'm just doing fun rainbow colors, and you guys can choose whatever colors you want. You don't have to do it exactly like mine. And I gave the yellow horn, pink inside the ears, and I did kind of blue hooves. And then I did these two cute circle pink lines, and then I put in my smile. And the reason I put my smile in last is because I wanted to do my cute little rosy cheeks, and I didn't want to accidentally make my smile too big to where I wouldn't be able to actually fit that smile in. So if you guys like this video, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more fun videos just like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. And if you guys want to go ahead and show off your unicorn drawing or any of your other drawings that you've done from any of our other videos, head on over to any of our social media platforms. Those links will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.